Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I'm doing unboxing of my new phone, Honor 8X Max 4GB 64GB variant. So let's begin the unboxing of this phone.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So here is the outer packing of Honor box. I ordered online. So I pre-booked this phone, so I got a gift from Honor, that is this earphones, and this is our box 8X Max Honor. So here you can see it's 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. Honor 8X Max. I purchased it for 1,499, near about 15,000 rupees and $220. So it's really a nice budget phone. So you can see here is our phone, a 7.12 inch, a big phablet. So we will see it later. So first see this box. So it contains a silicone cover and some manuals, and SIM ejector tool. So these are in Chinese, so it's no use for us, everything in Chinese. So let's see the charger. So Huawei quick charger, what is 5V 2A 9V 2A. So it's a quick charger from Huawei, and a type C USB cable and nothing else. So here is our phone, 7.12 inch, blue color. They have three colors, blue, red and black. Red is not available, so I ordered the blue one. So this phone contains water display notch. It's really beautiful phone, and the back glass look really beautiful. So you can see we have a dual camera and a fingerprint sensor on our AI camera. So here we have speaker, mic, USB-C charging port, 3.5mm jack and two antenna, one SIM tray. On the top, mic cancellation, and here we have volume buttons and the power on button. So really looks so beautiful with the water drop notch. So let's do the setup. So they have many languages, you can see English, Filipino, Indonesia, Italiano, Polish, Portuguese, wow, Hindi, Nepali. So it's good. So we choose English. So let's do the fingerprint lock. The phone is really big, it's like a phablet, and you can say is a competitor to Mi Max 3 from Xiaomi. And this one also have the fists unlock. Wow, so quick. So here we start our phone and it looks fabulous, you can see. So let's see the settings about the phone. So this phone have an Android version 8.1, CPU Snapdragon 636. They have 660 also in 6GB RAM storage. This one is RAM 4GB. The screen resolution is 2244 by 1080. And if you really don't like the notch, they have an option to hide the notch. Many people don't like it, so we can hide. You can say you have to go to display and notch, and you can hide notch. So no notch, but I really like the notch, so I will choose it. So now let's try Antutu benchmark. So first we will see about my device. So Android 8.1, CPU 636, Snapdragon, and Reno 512, resolution 1080 by 2244, rear camera 16.3 megapixel, RAM near about 4 GB, 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. So let's check the multi-touch. So we have complete 10 fingers for multi-touch. So rear camera 16 megapixel, front camera 8 megapixel, battery capacity is 5000, so it's so good. So let's begin our test. So let's see the score of Antutu benchmark of Honor 8X Max. So it's 115,112 for Snapdragon 636. The score is mostly like this, so not so bad. So now let's see the camera of this phone. So this phone have a dual real camera of 16 megapixel with 2 megapixel with f2.0 aperture of for primary one and f2.4 aperture for the secondary one, and the rear camera is for 8 megapixel. But in this phone, if you make a video of the front camera, the highest resolution is HD 720, and for the rear camera the highest resolution is Full HD 1080p, no 4K. So this is a drawback, you can say. And we have slow motion, time lapse, panorama. So I will do the gameplay camera review soon. So now let's watch some video how it look in this phone, because it's a phablet and big screen. And now let's try some music. So the sound quality is really good and it looks really good in the video also. So now let's play a small gameplay of PUBG. I'm playing the Chinese variant because I live in China and downloading Chinese variant PUBG is easy for me. So first let's see the setting, so we can't play the HDR mode in this phone. so terrible. And I will do a small gameplay of PUBG. And let's see the performance. Does it lag or anything else? So it's going smoothly. Yeah, so here we jumped. So the game is going very smoothly, no lag. And because of the screen size 7.1 inch, it looked really good. If you really love to play games, so this phone is really good for you. And the battery is also good, 5000 mAh, so it will be for a long time. And I think I will do a gaming review soon with the battery drainage test, and you can see how it lasts long. So you can see the big screen look really good. I love this phone for playing PUBG now. The giveaway, as yesterday many people asked me to give away this phone, so now the new giveaway is on. So I'm doing a giveaway of my Honor 8X Max. So the giveaway result will be on 2nd of October. So you have to follow me on my Instagram, and you have to comment on my every video after this unboxing video. So I will choose a random video with randomcommentpicker.com. so the lucky one will get this phone. You have to pay the custom on your country, but the shipping and the phone is from my side. So hope you can win if you will be lucky that time. If you want to know about this phone, something new, you can comment me and I will do a camera review, gaming review. And if you want any comparison about this phone, you can tell me. I have this phone for only about 20 days. Till now the game is going really smoothly and it's going to end. Only 1% left, so here is it. Why he's running? So here we won. So I killed 6 people. So the gameplay is really smooth. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and hope you win this giveaway.